Do you want to make a better world with the incredible power of artificial intelligence, data science, and cybersecurity? If your answer is yes, then join the Aegis Graham Bell Award National Talent Hunt for Data Science, AI, and Cybersecurity. This talent hunt aims at identifying the best brains who have the potential to grow as leaders in the exponential technology fields of AI, data sciences, and cybersecurity. First, the final winner will be recognized at the annual Aegis Graham Bell Awards. Second, the winners will get to work upon real-life AI, data science, and cybersecurity projects. Third, the winners will also get support to launch their own startup in our incubation centers in Mumbai, Pune, and Bangalore. And fourth, 100% scholarship to pursue India's best postgraduate program in data science, business analytics, and big data, PGP, in applied AI, machine learning, and deep learning, PGP MS in cybersecurity in association with IBM, offered by Aegis School of Data Science and Cybersecurity in Mumbai, Bangalore, and Pune. So what are you waiting for? Let the world recognize your talent.
We move towards a small segment where I believe Mr. Daria would talk about. This is about the young innovators. And we would like to showcase only these 8 young innovators who are we're going to transform the lives of millions, which we are just contributing at the stepping stone. And we have also AICT Chairman Dr. Anil Shastabudde and Mr. Nasir Sheikh. Master Nasir Sheikh is VP and Head HR with Atos, who is part of the jury as well. We would like Mr. Daria to invite this segment of AGBA Talent Hunt, the young innovators who would be the spark for the future of India.
Honorable Minister, as you have seen last year as well, at Aegis, we have taken this initiative to recognize the talent, those who have potential to grow as a leaders in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, data science. And we have carried out this talent hunt examination across the country, and thousands of applicants, they have appeared. Last year, we had given scholarship to roughly around 40 candidates. In first phase, we have shortlisted around 8 candidates, and these candidates are selected based on their merit, based on the project work they have done, and based on their potential to grow as a leaders in these disruptive technologies. Right? So I call upon all the winners to please switch on your video, and we heartily congratulate to all of you. And I request Dr. Sahasrabudde to just congratulate these winners, and then we will proceed for Sarangiji to really deliver it.
I congratulate all the 8 winners of Aegis Graham Bell National Talent Hunt Awards for Data Science, AI, Cybersecurity of Phase 1 2021. We are here, Raju Reddy, Kari Madhuri, Abhishek Mishra, Aishwarya, Muskan Pandey, Abhishek Muttaya, then Saurabh, as well as Aditya Rai. All of them, they deserve appreciation. Congratulations for all of them. I hope all of them will create great startups, become entrepreneurs, provide jobs rather than seeking jobs.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Would request Mr. Nasir to congratulate the winners of AGBA Talent Hunt.
Most certainly, I'm honored. I'm so happy to address all of you. Congratulations, students. This is just the beginning and sky's the limit. So God bless all. Thank you very much.
And we would request Mr. Daria to showcase Honorable Minister the AGBA Talent Hunt winners, Aegis Graham Bell Award Talent Hunt winners. Honorable Minister, these are the young innovators who are the shine for India. And these are the students shortlisted from around 13,000 applications received worldwide. Received from India, Pan-India, and we request Mr. Daria.
Honorable Gajendra Singh Ji, so we as an institution, we have our responsibility, and we started this, as I told you, in 2010. And last year we awarded around 40 students, and Dr. Anil Sahasrabudhe ji and Sri Natin Gadkari ji has awarded the scholarship to these students. In this first phase, we have invited applications from across the country, and there has been extensive online examinations and the interview, and these students were selected based on their potential to grow as a leading data scientist, AI expert, or in cyber security. These students, they have been shortlisted based on their academic record, their project works, and their potential to grow as a leader. And I must congratulate all the winners. Please, all the winners, please switch on your video. And I request Gajan Singh ji, please congratulate to these winners. And we would like to also showcase two teams, those who have done fabulous project work. Please switch on the webcam of all the winners. Before we start for Gajan Singh ji's speech, request all the winners to please switch on your webcam. And meanwhile, please also run the video of these two teams, those who have done excellent work, the project which has been shortlisted. So one team has designed a system which can generate the automatic commentary, and the other team, they have built up a system which can really identify and give idea about car insurance or vehicle insurance.
Arshahar to Watson. That's a good length ball. And he gets down on his haunches and sweeps this towards boundary.
So this team has done this work, and this is the
Shahar to Watson.
intelligence
That's a
system,
good
which does not require human being to give commentary, and this is AI system automatically give the commentary. I request team to really switch on your video. Devashish Das and Krishna Dalal, give a big hand.
Has to upload an image where a number plate is
Thank you,
visible,
sir.
so that we can validate that this car is registered with an insurance company. So as you can see, that number plate has been detected, and this is the number plate. Second step is we have to upload an image of a car where damage is visible. So here our image classification and image segmentation model will be working in backend. So as you can see in this output image, that clearly a dent has been detected in the front, and you can see that car, it is validated, damage is validated, location is front, and severity is severe. And this is our team.
What this team has done, sir, they have created an AI system which automatically identifies whether the car is damaged or not. And they are students of Aegis School of Data Science, sir. And now they are about to graduate. And these guys have done a fabulous job. Give a big hand to these candidates.